Seems like we have reached our destination, that is Wei Sawdong waterfalls. It took us nearly 2.5 hours to reach here. The first, I think 75% of the road was alright. It was smooth and nice, but after that the road is not good. Still, it's not so much. The trek down, you can see it's not for elders or kids. It's only for those people who can walk. I think we'll be here for another 1 hour. Try to make some videos, document the place. Walking here is a little tough, but not so tough. I can hear it, the water. It is, I think, 1 kilometer away from, a little further from deinthlein waterfalls, a major tourist destination. Now there are two ways which way to go. Viewpoint is that side, and the other side is this side. We don't want to go for Viewpoint, we want to go for the water. This is a bridge made by locals. It's a steep rock. But how these local people have made this bridge. Whew, it's getting more and more dangerous, this place. Oh man. Towards the viewpoint of Wei Sawdong waterfalls. My friend, as always, there. I think it's worth. Woohoo!